In the Strategy, PR and Tourism Department of Rhondda and Taff County Borough Council is a green dragon named Patrina Haslam. She takes recycling very seriously, and rightly so. A good number of recycling boxes are distributed around the office and clearly marked, although some staff members still seem to find putting the right rubbish in the right recycling bin a bit of a challenge. After regularly checking the bins, Patrina will have a look at what's been printed to make sure staff are using both sides of any sheet of paper, make sure that the staff know that disposable hand towels have their own recycling bag, and chase up any questions from staff about recycling materials that don't have any recycling facilities within easy reach. Patrina leads the way and encourages others to follow.